taking over the city. All got no hoods on. This how we run shit.
Yeah, bitch, I'm 101, getting racks, fucking head out. In the Scat zooted, I'm too fried, I'm finna stab out. Bitch, we be the gang, young shiners, yeah, these bitches love us. Niggas mad, they bitch choosing, little nigga, get your funds up. This that Scat music, this that trap music. This bitch a thug, she stay hit into some.
We're getting booked, y'all.
YouTube,
it's Lordship here, back at it again with another banger video, of course. And as y'all can see by the title, man, we about to go crazy this video. No hoods, Chryslers, Hemis, Scat Packs, RTs, all that, man. We about to go crazy on the highway. I'm getting ready to show y'all all the cars with no hoods right now. We just got done taking all of them off. The Lordship Mobile, hardest RT in the state. Got the Chrysler, RT Hemi. Got the RTs, the 5.7s. Now we got the Scats. Got the wide body over here. Then we got the Len Mobile. He got my hood on his Scat Pack. This is 10, bro. This is 10.
I gotta do it?
This is 10. You gotta do it. I didn't think it would look that much different, but like the black stands out from the purple.
It don't look too much different, but it does.
But it does.
It makes it like, it's like subtle.
Yeah.
It's subtle, like it's nothing like too like. Oh.
You could definitely tell the difference between a purple and a black.
I thought I wasn't gonna be able to tell the difference.
Like,
it's just such a close color.
Like my shit looks too close, but it's still 10 with the hood wrap.
Oh, that is 10.
That's 10. You need that.
Red eye or not? Red eye hood?
You need that. You need that. 100%. But hold on, y'all. I didn't even show y'all. We got the hood off the Benz too. Hold on. The hood off the Benz. Like, fuck the Scats, fuck the Chargers, fuck the Hemis. We got the hood off the Benz.
Hood off the Benz is really wild.
Like, we're about to push every car with no hood, bro. Like, we're about to go crazy. And it's a V8. Twin turbo V8. Yeah.
That's a twin turbo
See it?
V8. Look at
Twin turbo V8. Yeah, y'all, we got them toys outside, man. SRT Joey with the new badge. If y'all ain't check his channel out, go check SRT Joey out. He just got his car back from it being stolen. Sexy as fuck, man. Sexy as fuck. One of the hardest Scats, and it ain't even done yet. We outside, man. We even got the Chrysler, the 5-star wheels. Nah, we looking like straight Philly out this bitch. Like, no hoods. We're about to take over the highway and go crazy. As y'all see, not too much more to talk about. Just the Hemis and the Benzes and all that. Showing y'all all the cars with no hoods. I'm done talking. Make sure y'all smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new, of course. And comment all fire emojis. But we getting ready to hit the highway. I'm going to catch y'all when we go to the gas station or meet up somewhere else. I'm trying to tell you, the Chrysler no hood is 10. Chrysler no hood. That's 10. But I'm going to catch y'all when we hit the gas station or hit the road. I don't know. We'll probably take a flick all together with no hoods. So I'm going to catch y'all later. Stay tuned. Yeah, we got them toys out, man. You already know every fucking day we be out here, man. Cars every day. Chargers, Hemis. Taking over the city. Word. Nah, hold on, yo. A thumbnail from right here looks crazy. Got the wide body Scat. I'm gonna let y'all see everybody engines. I believe these cars are all stock. Feel me? My shit stock as fuck. This John stock. This was a Chrysler 300C. He swapped the whole shit, like the whole like front end and back end and wheels and all that. He swapped the whole car. Like, he went crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all got to see it before he like did anything to it. It looks crazy. But y'all see all the hoods off. Yeah. See, man, we pulling out. Got them things behind us. Word. Y'all gotta hear this bitch. I'm about to rev it in a minute. Hold on. I hear this bitch. Before we go on this drive, you already know I gotta go in track mode. Track mode, man. If you don't already know, in order to get this, you gotta get the Z Automotive Taser. He's drawing. Chill out, Cuddy. Got all the Hemis with us today. Oh my God. Oh my God. Make sure y'all smash that like button, subscribe, and comment. Everybody outside, man. Oh my God, this is running 10 times better without the hood, bro. It's like the whole shit can breathe. I'm about to give you another rev real quick. Let's get it, y'all. Stuck at this motherfucking light. This shit need to move. Cause we better turn y'all up. Since we turning y'all up, shit. Oh shit, I almost hit his bumper. I almost hit that nigga bumper. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Going crazy. This shit's popping, bro. Come on, bro. Slowing down, so he fucking me up. And I know the nigga behind me blowing. Oh my God, this bitch feels crazy, man. I ain't gonna lie, this shit feels mad crazy. You guys don't know, man, this is the Hoodless Mopar 2019 Dodge Charger RT 5.7 liter Hemi, completely stock. Nothing done to it. We hitting the gas station up right now. I gotta get gas. I'm at 11.6 miles per gallon. That's bullshit, man. If you're in the market for this car, be prepared to spend money on gas. It's a gas killer. Oh my God, the Tanny Mobile. Hold on, y'all gotta hear it. Y'all gotta hear it. Tanny Mobile. It's getting critical out here, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all one more look at the gas station.
I say the only one.
Where's he at?
Gas tank on the wrong side.
He's frying me. Yeah, we outside, man. We got the motherfucking Hemis out. Got that Chrysler. Got that 5.7 Chrysler. I'm gonna give y'all a view from the front. Got the wide body. They said, look at the baby Mustang up there. Where that bitch at? Look at the baby Mustang. They said that shit poop. They said the Mustang poop.
Poopy Mustang.
Poopy Mustang. We don't fuck with the Mustang. We don't fuck with them niggas. Oh, nah, we're getting booked. Cop is on his ass. That Mustang did sound good, I ain't gonna catch. Fuck them Mustangs, though, we don't fuck with them. I ain't gonna lie, I didn't even get gas. I'm about to just say fuck it. I got 70-something miles left, so I think I should be good. Here's the whole gas station. As y'all can see, we taking over, man. We taking over the city. All got no hoods on. It's how we run shit. This how we run shit around here. Got that motherfucking Chrysler. Who you know got a Chrysler that look like this? Who the fuck you know got a Chrysler that look like that? Alright, y'all. Getting ready to hit the highway now. Once again, if y'all don't already know, this is not a Hellcat. That's just from the Z Automotive tape. Got them toys out, man. Damn, why the fuck gas so expensive? What the fuck? Yo, Joey! Your plate cover. Yeah, it's down. Get it. All right, here we go. cones. Getting ready to take over the highway, man. Let's get it, man. Start this video up. Hopefully my phone don't fall off this motherfucking mount. And I don't want to go too crazy. This probably looks crazy on the highway, bro. Oh my God. Oh my God. Highway POV drive, no hood. Oh, we're going to the mall. Forgot. On our way to the mall, y'all. To take a thumbnail. I ain't gonna lie, I might grab some food too. Outside, baby. Let's get it. SRT Lemobile. Yes, sir. Oh my God. There's no way we're not getting booked for this. Oh shit. Bouncy ass road. This probably looks so crazy. Damn, we is outside. POV drive with a whole bunch of scat packs with no fucking hoods. What other Dodge Charger RT YouTuber is doing this? Nobody, bro. Oh, he's bending shit. Oh my God. This shit sounds crazy. We're getting booked. Yep. Cops are on the way. Let me know if y'all want us to take the doors off, because we'll do that shit too. Oh my God. Nah, niggas are confused. Niggas are confused. Oh my God, look at the old head. Old head confused. This thumbnail, bro, this thumbnail, it's about to look fucking crazy. We're done. We're getting booked. We're getting booked. Oh. Yo, we're getting booked. We're getting booked. They already digging in. Yeah. We're getting booked, y'all. Let's see what they talk. Let's see what they talking about. Safety first. Always make sure y'all wear your seatbelts. Damn, I ain't even had my hat on the whole time. I thought I did. Damn.
Nah, I got like
as y'all see, this all the cars we got outside. Getting ready to take our thumbnail. Yeah. As y'all see, man, taking that thumbnail. No hoods in the hood. In the trenches with it. It's like, nah, we not in no fucking trenches.
4 cops?
Four cops.
Were they county or state?
Are looking for us. 4 cops are looking for us.
Hey.
So the spot where we took the hoods off at, apparently 4 cops pulled up as soon as we left. We're on the run. But hey, what can I say? Fuck it. We're just living life. So I don't know why cops always dickied off of Chargers and Hemis and Scats. Like, cops always love to dicky off of these cars. Like, I don't know why. Not everybody's gonna take your ass. Oh! Pause. That sounded crazy as fuck. Not everybody's gonna, like, feel me, speed off and take off on your ass, but like, I just drive regular and cops just always on my. But it's whatever. Yeah, this nigga just said some gay shit. I don't know if y'all heard that. What did you say, sir? Oh shit! Yo, he ready to bang into the cart. All right, y'all. We just got told to leave by that security guard. As y'all see, man, he fucked it up, man. We gotta leave. Feel me? Alright guys, I apologize if it's dark as fuck, but my quality isn't too good at nighttime. As you can see, we got the wide body in front of me. Oh shit, and we got a cop. Might end the video soon. I know we didn't do too much, but we didn't have that much daylight. We did, but not for too long. Smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. I need all fire emojis. We on the road to 10K. We almost there. Hopefully this video can get me there. We still got them toys with us. Everybody kind of split up. I don't know where they're at right now. We're about to meet up with them, but ain't, you know, that much to show y'all, man. Almost at that 10K, man. We almost at that 10 ball. I'm gonna do a little pull for y'all. Y'all know we gotta end strong, right?
Red light, camera ahead.
We still got them hoods off. Y'all can't really see, man, because it's so fucking dark. Alright, man. Thank y'all for staying tuned to the end. Smash that like button and comment. I already said that, but you already know what to do, man. It's Lord Shiv, and we out.